how to disable options trading on Robinhood. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable options trading on Robinhood quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If you're an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you're an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log in to your account. After you log in, tap on the account icon at the bottom right. Then tap on this three line on the top left corner. After that, click on settings. And inside settings, tap on investing. Find the options trading section and tap it. You'll see an option to disable or close your options trading settings. Follow the prompts to confirm. Robinhood may ask you to confirm your identity before finalizing the change. And that's it. This is how you can disable options on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.